Are sexual misconduct cases appropriate for mediation? Now, if you remember back when the Me Too movement occurred a few years ago, a lot of states, including New York, decided to ban arbitration clauses in employment contracts when it came to sexual misconduct. And mediation, however, is a little bit different. So I want you to think about whether it would be appropriate and how do you make up your mind about that. I'm Nancy Schick of Third Year Conflict Resolution, where we take a holistic approach to workplace conflict resolution. So the big distinctions between these two processes may help you decide whether or not mediation might still work. It sounds like, whoa, wait a minute, I want it to go to court, right? But if you think about why we decided to ban those mandatory arbitration clauses in the employment contracts when it came to sexual misconduct, it starts to make a little bit more sense. You think about how that's usually going to go. The employer's mandating it, so they're probably also going to pay for it. They're going to select the arbitrator, and then someone's going to make the decision, right? The arbitrator is going to actually tell the parties what they get, much like what would happen in court. But mediation's different. In the role of the mediator, it's not to make a decision for you. It's to facilitate those conversations that lead to resolution. So the end result is not a decision, but it's an agreement of the parties. And believe it or not, sometimes it actually works even with sexual misconduct cases. Now, if you're dealing with a situation like that at work and you're not sure if you want to attempt mediation, then I invite you to click that link below and set up a consultation with me. I'm going to, in my next video, talk about some of the criteria and some of the considerations that you might use to determine specifically if your sexual misconduct case is right for mediation. So make sure you hit the subscribe button below. And in the meantime, keep listening with your third ear for those hurts you can heal.